Hello my viewers and welcome to Electronics Fun Zone. This is a channel where we teach you about electronics components and how to use these components to make real working circuits. In our previous video, we learned about the breadboard. I showed you how conductors are arranged inside it, and then we created a simple LED circuit on it. In today's video, I want to teach you how to connect right emitting diodes in parallel and series arrangements on the breadboard. Before we continue, please consider subscribing to our channel if you have not yet done so. Let us start with parallel arrangement. As you can see, I have inserted my 5 right emitting diodes on the breadboard in parallel arrangement. As you insert the right emitting diodes, ensure all the positive terminals of all the right emitting diodes are on the same side and the negative terminals are on the other side. Let me now insert the resistors. In parallel arrangement, each right emitting diode will have its own resistor, and the resistors I am using are 2 kilo ohm each. Here I have jumper wires connecting each right emitting diode from this middle section to this other section where we shall connect the negative terminal from the battery. On this other side, we shall connect the positive terminal from the battery. Let us now connect the battery. We see whether our right emitting diodes will illuminate. As you can see, the right emitting diodes have turned on. That means we have done our connections properly. Let us now arrange right emitting diodes in a different way on another section of the breadboard. This is a different arrangement of right emitting diodes in parallel. On this arrangement, I have moved the jumper wires here. I have put the resistors here, but on our previous arrangement, the resistors were somewhere here. Let us now connect the battery and see whether the right emitting diodes will illuminate. As you can see, our blue right emitting diodes have turned on. So we have done the arrangement and connections properly. I now hope that you have a better understanding of the breadboard and how to make parallel right emitting diode circuits. Let us now arrange right emitting diodes in series on the same breadboard. These right emitting diodes are now connected in series. Comparing the previous arrangement, which is parallel, to this one, which is series, you can easily spot the differences. One of the differences is that in series arrangement, we only have one resistor connected in series with 5 right emitting diodes, while in parallel arrangement, each right emitting diode had its own resistor. Another difference is that in series arrangement, we only have one jumper wire which is connecting the right emitting diodes to the point where we shall connect the negative terminal from the battery. Let us now connect the battery and see whether our circuit will work. As you can see, all the right emitting diodes have turned on, so we have done our connections correctly. Please note that you can arrange right emitting diodes in different variations on the breadboard as long as you understand the internal structure of the breadboard. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please like this video, share it with people who you think may be interested in this kind of stuff, and also subscribe to our channel. These gestures mean a lot to us. Starting from our next video, I would want us to graduate by moving from using the 9-volt battery to using AC mains as our power source. I will create a series of videos teaching you how to make right emitting diodes signposts like these ones. The components and materials used to make such right emitting diode signs are cheap and locally available. The series we will cover are as follows: drilling and inserting the right emitting diodes, joining the leads and soldering, choosing the right resistor, making the right emitting diode chaser, making AC to DC rectifier, and connecting the entire system to the AC mains. Each series will cover a topic or two depending with the simplicity or complexity of the topic we will be covering. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.